Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my banner. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my banner. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Oh, uya matinyana. Yeah, so uya. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Yeah. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Say, I call you Jireh. Say, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my banner. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen. Voy a mi ground, come here. 1, 2, 3. I can breathe without you, say. I can breathe without you. I can move without you, Lord. I can move without you. Who am I without you? Who am I without you? Say, I can live without you, yeah. I can live without you. I can breathe without you, Lord. I can breathe without you. I can move without you, yeah. I can move without you. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? We am I thinking now? So, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So, oh,
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
Yo, ibisa for mema obi bia akwaba eba enenso yedwumedie ya yedebemu yedebremu de biara mema obi bia Good Friday ene yebekaya over centuries nie ene say yesi ye Yesu Kristo amane hu a yene ne cross so na yakobo na asendua mu ene yeda yedi kai sa emre no ntimema obi bia afishia pa. Yeah, it's just a time. You be reflecting. Yeah, so and maybe so I don't to reflect na unhwe ne nyankopon twede ampo wayama. Other for me ma obi bia akwaba and them say nya technical issues ka.
It's frozen.
Once again to have a conversation on this platform, the usual Friday legal hour. Today's conversation is about those of us who have done 10 years continuous residence in the UK legally and are yet to have our last 2.5 leave to remain expired, wondering whether we can proceed to indefinite leave to remain. That is the conversation. We've had a lot of people. Crawford Bebre and AB said, na me time no aso anase enso ye. Me 2.5 no ebewu December, ebewu September, ebewu next year. But me try 10 years because na me a student, na me switch call 2.5. Na me sabe ye student biem, na me ye say, me kan nyina bom a eno kra no ema me 9 years by time me dey ade no kotun mu no eche ansa eba enti abae na afide me twa me 10 years no ma de no so enwu ye metumi akoye indefinite leave to remain application no ana ende ye nkomodie no say ana won aso wonim say wopese we indefinite leave to remain application wobetumi aye even though with 2.5 years no enso ya na say enwu ye ana Tim nkomo no nkomo a hwamma bebre cause bebre was saa tibia no emu na nea de bia nkomo a de bebre na che say ya test ye hu say adwuma ansa ya de abrɛw me no ka say last week na mienu decision baaye saa nkrofo no na omo 2.5 no omo enwu ye na nso yetumi ye indefinite ema won ema ne ye enti me de obama me host I'm a Easter message.
Yo, la Asmah beda asiye. Other for facha ye na we be see mo be share difference kakra abe mo ni say internet no na hard but ne nyina mu no ya see a book see a Duciano ebebremo. Yo, minia bema ye lawyer papa bi lawyer Charles edikan edenchia kese abema etie for menso saa na medenchia ema obi biara wa dwane ye misrem ani die mo ba ya abomode na share program no na enkwechichi emaye because enenom eye good news esan say ye hwe ye topic na ye wona dodo na ya na ma omre na wotwa no quarter saa 4 times just say you're on the 10 years now we try 2.5 saa na so no ene lawyer Asmah eba be cheche yen say edu emre bi na wetwitwa saa na akakra enye nwuye mpo no eni se otwentwa so na mo obetumi ato anamo a ebetumi de we indefinite no e de ama nti eno na ye ba be papi mu na ye hwe kwan a o se wo fa so ana obetumi egina so ana de mpoti a o se wo ye ansa na wetumi edi saa de no edi edwuma enti no ye be skip update kakra na nyame adom na ye ba be wie no na afede ye di update no aba betuga enti mesa tonsa afre ye lawyer papa lawyer Charles Asmah biom na ene membisa ne nsemfo bi eya na ye nim say 2.5 and 2.5 adodo na afre no yes no either say wo 5 years so and now what 10-year route ne so no na ye ma 2.5 ewu a na wasan akọ je foforo iwu a na asan wasan akọ na ne nyine mo se nim se ne nyine mo yisika because ukọ bia no so no ye nka se o wadi kan beji ba konti e de chew ne nyine mo se o ye application utia lawyer ka utia immigration for so ka na ya submit work amount and I say wo application ama ansa na home office so ajo mo so mo sika ansa o ma ye ama na we nyina no se kwan bi wo ho a obetumi atwa so kakra bi na nka eja wenya we indefinite ntem na wetumi ne aye ne obeya enka be asem dedede ama ye nyina enti lawyer Asmah obisa ye said you know say it possible so betumi apply for indefinite leave to remain say oh to say will last 2.5 years you know enye nwuya na obetumi aye ne ntem na che say won so no we gina so because dodo na minim no obi a pese ana dodo na prese omenya indefinite na se ne be ya omatu anamo free indefinite no e de akoye British citizen nti no sa mo prepare ne de dodo na da o makoma so se nka omeye sa na se akwanya bi wo ho sa obeye ne ntem no no so ejina enya ne indefinite na ode benya ne British citizen there why not nti mesro na papa mu ma ye mre no ko de papa mu ma ye bisamfo a mo no maybe some alongside the way no nti no metuma obi
Yo, medase bebre man ye. A very happy Easter to Obi Biara Otie and Anope the Easter. Jakasia Efi BWF Solicitors as ye Ebreo. Na we Easter egg no are you ready? It's just so a baby. If you anyone na why enjoy on this Good Friday Anope. Na ene enkomo no senia ye boss no eye enkomo a ehia pa fi se dodo no a ewo saa tibia no emu tibia no ne sen tibia ne se me ba krom ha no na be a student na me switch ye ko baby fufuro ye ma because na me fi de me nya akwala wo krom ha tie ma me 2.5 na me fi ho no me kofa baby ma ye 2.5 no me fourth one na me da so yi but enwu ye ebewu December and I say ebewu September and I say ebewu October 2024 na Martin so say wunya 10 years e wo krom ha na what na ha legally there wobetumi aye indefinite leave to remain application e ma na ye na ma de nso enwu ye ti maye den na makoye indefinite metumi anase mintumi akonya e wane say did you know that it is possible to do that even though we last 2.5 no expire? Nti edikan no wobetumi. So wobetumi dia enkomo no a yebedi no bema wate ase kwan a wobefa so a wobeye no anase ne nti a wobetumi aye ne sa ema na yeye. Edikan no esese ye ase say break emba mu nti ye hwe immigration rules no a especially section 117B of the relevant statute no a obeka achiro say say which are 10 years continuously legally ewo krom ha dia the 11th year no mu no ubetumi aye indefinite leave to remain and I say with 10th year no ebewu no ubetumi aye manaye depending on your situation. Na some 10th year no aso na my rura 11th year mu but ade anu wu ye nso a metumi aye na yes ubetumi aye ene nkomo no nti edikan wenya 10 years ukakane a waye ni nyina bomu a 10 years mama yente asese sa 10 years no ukoda prison enka ho utu kwan kwahye mu a ma na bro 6 months na wosan ba ya enka ho na we no so no se wakwaye application ema tama wokuba your application no ewu ye na wo be extend no break ekwa ba ya eno nso enka ho ti mo ma ye nhye ni nyina nso enso nti ye fa no odie no there is no exception to it na 10 years no continuous empo last one enwu ye de nti ye hwemu a technically 2.5 no what na so ba wunya 10 years wo so na wo hwe wechi a wo ebi wo ho from student time from her obetumi dey aka ho because sa leave no enwu ansa wo switch to 2.5 no eso to obetumi eyusu ni nyina aka ho ema wetumi akava sa 10 years no ehwo na ye kyerɛw sɛ na yenim so no so wo ye application a sometimes tumi kodemu 6 months etumi kodemu bi mkura de 1 year ma twɛn 1 year na eba no already no so 2.5 na ye de abeka emra a medi wo krom ha no eho ti mo ma ye hye eno nso enso nti wo a wa twɛn ma de na aba no na ade no nwuye but because of delay ni ade no a eba home office wo no nti ansa mo de wade no ebrɛ no wo ka saa waiting time nyina bomu a ema wo hu sɛ continuously no what na ha legally for 10 years ade no nwuye of course the man say have you spent 10 years in the UK legally sadia which are 10 years with me I progress it to indefinite leave to remain depending on your peculiar circumstance. There has been a case law update Santia de Anubaba within the various aspects of the law no na I draw the distinction say nsunsunya eda omo ye omo application late nanso home office consider ye no odi decision ebre won no mama won 2.5 na won a omo application no late ho nso ye be draw sa distinction no na yenko imra no yenim say ye wo section 3C of the Immigration Act of 1971 all culture yen say we your application before our visa ebewu a you are protected. You are protected. Ntina just say my application before my visa no ebewu a me okay. Say edi how many years e home office no I'm covered. Ehon enso na yebekọ akọhwe paragraph 39E of the immigration rules no. Or say delay eba application extension no eso say 14 days. 14 days na a grace period. Obi omo a ire efiri mpo say ade no ewu enra ene wakai enne na ode atum anase na ni ba no ho so no ade no edi 13 days ewu.
So what we speak and off. I'm speaker, producer, speaker off. Yenti lawyer Asmah. For safe no adwene ya legal hours so near way any BWF Solicitors for na ye di dwuma isi ne every Friday no and then so ye the topic about ye cheche mu about senior ubetumi aye na indefinite so a na meba kakra sɛ wowɔ 2.5 ne so a ɛba abɛwu no wobɛtumi gyina so na wakɔ akɔgye indefinite ɛno ne akyerɛkyerɛ a yɛ papa lawyer Asmah ɛde ɛma yɛ nti no mɛsrɛ wonya baa so abɔ mmɔden ana share program no mehu sɛ mo nhyɛ koraa sɛ mo ani ngye ho so ana monka ɛnɛ good friday mo yɛnyɛ good why mo nhyɛ ma yɛ nti lawyer Asmah mesa ato ama na wokyerɛkyerɛ mu na ade ne freeze kakra nti no yɛnkɔ so bio.
Yo, me that's pa so etimi egyina mu. Yo, etiefo na ahwefo se ne na ye kyerɛkyerɛ mu no. Ye wo paragraph 39E of the immigration rules. Na ne 39E ka ne sɛ ure fi sɛ wade no ebewu afi na wade aba so ba hu ye na bia already we twa 14 days. On that 14th day no a sɛ ebewu wobetumi ewu dada de ewu apa ho 14 days betumi da atum ewu apa ho 13 days betumi da atum nti between ewu ya no the next day up to the 14th day no utumi editum still ema ne yeye a omo wave sa expiry days na ebegu so no but let's say kane no na so omo wave ni sa and so omo ma wo say okay 14 days but then it's okay a grace period na mu na wo no na ye de ade no ma wo a utumi account sa ebre no towards sa years no case law eba nansen ka say case law court imuaye bi eba ye obi di sa ade we kodane aban na imuaye a de kodane court na imuaye a efimu ba ne say grace period no emu na wo 14 days no na say yami adom ya de ade na ma wo a untumi encount towards 10 years no still betumi ayusu wo de aye wadwuma wo de aye na yesa wo ye bia but untumi yusu for indefinite leave to remain. How does this work? For example, wo de application akotum ba wo de tum na ewu we fie say ewu when you buy wo so no na ewu for 10 days or 14 days. Nti em say na ewu for let's say whole 14 days. Even one day kra. Nti 10 days no and say 14 days no already no wo be ye fi wo 10 years no emu. If be home office for ensem no already wo ni bi anyway. Into consideration and mo ya ma wo. Na ekodi ho nso 1 year. Nti wo di 1 year no ka 14 days na ebegu so ansa wo your application no a 1 year 14 days. Na chesa wo 10 years no as I say wo take sa 1 year 14 days no efim before me move to the next level. If na chesa what dey no ebewu December you have to wait because December no kwa bia ebedu no na 10 years no a 1 year na ebedu so no na wontumi enkavaye because ebewu December no already wo the car 1 year. I don't think so from now to December no will be enough to cover the 1 year deficit no. And now so say 10 ebewu September na wo work na say be aka 6 months ebewu in 6 months time but wait for 10 years aya wo saa meanwhile wo deficit of let's say 6 months then what the 6 months no ebe share 6 months na aka no mu a chesa say wo train kwesi time ade no bewu fully as a way to me enya full 10 years. And the question is what the cat and I say one the cat. What the cat how many days? What the cat how many months? What the cat how many years? And then a buyer a cannot buy because we have application you know now this one would that. Producer, I'm saying noise to be what the no. What the cat because what the application you call you know now visa no would that. Na ewu how many days? So na ewu 1 day just what the car 1 day and no eda ho. Sa e ka no wo na wo create ye. And na home office for so omo make decision no entem. Obi beka sen say no de mo no mo create ye. But why na mo create saa ade no eyewoa because wa mfa nkwa ntem na mo nso enwie ne ntem nti wo agboka ato ho na mo nso agboka ne bi aka ho ama wo person me put it into context nti question is say kodi home office for nsem no how many days na ebaaye and say months or weeks na ebaaye answer omode decision no ebre wo because sa wanga sa wa agboka egu ho because ade no ewuye answer wo the application ni tu na mom section 39 na ewo ho nti wutumi use 14 days grace period no eyeka wutumi emphasize ka no enkaka 10 years no eho as I say wuti film nti 10 years minus 14 days as I say wo hwehwe 14 days no ewo baby ansa wetumi nya full 10 years ubenya fihi so wade ni nwuye a as I say wo twen kosi time ebewu and as I wo twen 14 more days home office for nso kwa yes the next day no ana mo de abrɛ o nti by all means days nso bɛba ɛhɔ kosi time ade no bɛba ti uka ne nyinaa bɔ mu na wetwa bi a 380 days and that's 350 days and that's 390 days because 1 year 365 nti wo de 14 days no a ebe ekura ade no wu yansa wo de kɔ no eka ho a na kyerɛ sɛ 365 plus 14 ebe ma wo 379 the saa 379 no we be convert to days weeks and that's a month how many more months necessary we train before we betumi nya 10 years na what the indefinite no akotum we a case law aba ama sa mathematics yi ho ebehia nti sa wo check here na wa check say medical because man fa nkɔ ntem medical because home office and farm ntem and I say medical. How do you know say one deka? So one deka say we check say what dey no extension no ye during that 2.5 period no ye before ade no ebewu and I say ewu say enti saa de a na just say ye after ewu na ye no after that nso a adenti na home office for G2 mu na home office for can say because of paragraph 39E no or 14 days grace period nti ade no wu a obetumi atwen kwesi time a 14 days grace period no beso asa wo de atum ebi a na bibi nti untumi nya application no ntem ebi a na okra refi so ade no kra ebewu because you obi a na check no all the time nti na 14 days protection no ewo ho no kane no na utumi use 14 days no delay no eye nya wo pebia to add to the 10 years and to also protect you from losing your status. But, to say I'm trying to say, it is only a shield, not a sword. That means to say, ebetumi protect you there, ebetumi aye wajuma, ebetumi akọ suku, ebetumi aye na awoye bia na mbom, edu sɛ wokɔyɛ indefinite leave wa, untumi enkan 10 years no ɛho.
Last mommy that's senior watch it, but na quite a bit technical kakra because me tell with the figures that you mentioning and the date calculation, no, you have to subtract, you have to make some addition and stuff. Quite me kakra, but meaning say when it comes to lawyers, there no matter what, you understand the dating system, into no moment how it works out. Now, before I come to you, ma etie for efutu kakra. Won says ye ma wo nkrata ne pe na won sa ka na wo data expiring date no. Se ne be ya na arefre wo ho a eto me ba obia so na ni control so nti no. Mesre se na wa bo date no. Se wall ho, fridge ho, be bia wo ye frequent visiting ewo ho no. Ubetumi abo atare ho na wama wo ho at least 2 months gap and even 3 months gap say within the next 3 months no me status ano kromo ha no ben say or say year renewal. It's a form of me I'm somewhere that there is a bit of construction going on behind the block. Internet is really creating a whole lot of noise with the me try and I'll move away from here, but it's not meant to be yet. It's so lawyers man, sisi no calculation now we no. Sɛ mehu saa minus 14 plus 14 or near mbia ma twen ama na expire na sɛ mentwen ma na expire ne ade me no membia me as a candidate na na me a me application no saa de we nyina menim ɛna ne menim nso sɛ wo twitwa 2.5 no kakra fa ma so mmerɛ bi no menim sɛ bia ansa na ubenya sɛ wokɔgye last 2.5 na kyerɛ sɛ ɛhɔ na ɛkɔ indefinite no enti sɛ wagye 7.5 na afei wakɔgye last 2.5 a ɛno na ɛbɛyɛ amounting to saa 10 years no na ɛno ɛna woka menim sɛ saa na woka ba mpɛ sɛ meputi saa question sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ bɛnya saa nteaseɛ no sɛ aka bɛyɛ 6 months a bɛnya 10 years na or say minya 10 years ni wie say complete 10 years and so I apply for indefinite and I say abra 6 months ni ye do no based on some few calculations na ye no metumi age na so aka say me koji indefinite wo ho ana but me question e dem kakra de
I edemumpa. And see, I'm going to break the technicality down. Timekono baako. Edi kan etiefo ne ahwefo. Yemfa se ye de yen applicant adwoa menu esi ho. Adwoa menu no ye student no switch call 2.5. And I say or that 2.5 no so adwoa menu because of sikasam na adenti aya or ye fee waiver. Now, yemfa fee waiver no kra into a hoy ebaba no so problem e de ba later. Adwoa menu onim say 2.5 no ebeso anase ebedu eye ende 29th of March. Into onim say wakan waye alert 29th March and my 10 years no edu because na me a student enwu na me switch here enwu na me switch here enwu na me switch here me last 2.5 no mo de ma me no ebewu December 2024 but me ade matena ha legally because of sopi na amadeda so no matena ha legally 10 years no eyende sana etia dia under section 117B no who qualify say echna over start indefinite leave to remain application say visa no to na aka no ewu and say enwu ye no of course enwu ye there ewu there then asamaba but enwu ye but ubisa won say won twen kosi time ebewu and say won fa indefinite no entumu ende ya wo calculate no eye 10 years no aha and ye be break na ye bi say e wo say time a wode da wo 2.5 no so no then e na ekoba ye edi kan say 2.5 no e be so a emra ne say esese wo ye extension application dodo no na ye kan ye nim say 28 days within immigration rules but yenso ye nim say you can even do it earlier than 28 days but wo there for simplicity no you nim say within the last 28 days no esese wo do application etum wo free or for whatever reason 1 year no on time ade no ewu 1st of March na wonso wodi kwatum 2nd of March tinache say waboka 1 day ato ho cause ade no wuye ansa wodi kwatum na number 1 emrane say so wade ewu a of course technically I want to say generally no ade no ewu untumi nkoye extension why illegal But imrano jinho say obi a na de ewu one day no apa ho one day no ebi a na enye boapayo because obi a ni ho a onim say oba be ye illegal na onkoye renewal abra kwan ewo ho. Nti omo hyehye mra no omo di bibi ba ye fra no paragraph 39E immigration rules no. Paragraph 39E no eye ohene kase. Ohene kase na o kan say se ekoba se wade na ewu fabadami media ma wo. Den na obeka ma wo. Na o kan say se wade na ewu a mama o 14 days aka ho. Sa 14 days no bombodian say wo de beko. Because sa 14 days na media ma wo no esan pa ho de a ende mintumi emwa obiem. That is the 14 days grace period rule under paragraph 39E of the immigration rules. Before case law abanansia no na sa 39E no say epa ho empa ho so omo kan 10 years na we di wo UK wo de koye indefinite no a eno no yen consider because wo visa anyway. Nti say epa ho 14 days, epa ho 1 day, epa ho 10 days and so koye extension no. Say e wo de kotum no cheye and say anche no we okay. But case law by no and the court say hang on, it cannot be okay. So there are a lot of changes are aba. Changes in be ni na akọ PA court say yeah, any home office ya adwin. So obi a sebio for whatever reason went to me anya na so ya ma no ho. Na de na ewu 1 day to 14 days. Na de atum no. Na obetumi aya ne say sa 14 days no ebeboa no manatena ha de. Na mum entumi mboa no ekodu say obeye indefinite leave to remain. Se nipa no delay na ode ade no call ye. Home office so delay na omode ade no ebre no a. Question is ono o delay how many days? O delay 14 days eyeka wabo ato ho. Nti say and then in 10 years no aso a ye beti how long it take no answer ode na application no extension no ekọ no. Say days no uhu a say 1 day up to 14 days no uhu a as I say what if 10 years no emu. That means even though and there 10 years no untumi emfa indefinite no enko echina. As I say what train na sa days na wo delay and sa wo application ekọ no enso eba and I say eson ansa when who say when you 10 years. Point number 1. Point number 2. Wo call home office no ade no call home office no eche ansa eba. Yan fa say wo de no eche 6 months. Nti eba ya no na watwen 6 months already. Wo delay 14 days. Home office was a delay 6 months. Nti na ya hwa total delay no akoye 14 days and 6 months. Nti se na ye 10 years a untumi nka say echina me koye indefinite because matena krom ha legally for 10 years. Total technically no won't ha legally because wangasa no wa punish wo ho because wa de no ewu wo nsem asa wo de kọ. Je say wo sign tenemu days na ewu wo nsem no. Home office for so a delay ansa mo de ba. Je say wo sign tenemu na wo cover home office for so delay no a ekọ ho no. Nti se wa de no enwu a wo bebisa wo say days ya abada hwe me de 14 days. Home office for so there 6 months. I about 180 days no. How many days necessary me train and some me the indefinite no akọ. Your father said, would there no wo train for 180 days and 14 days, which is 194 days. Next time me any days ni say easy say able to me I work with the days because 14 days no ho. And home office for delay no a month. Into can you now bo 6 months and 14 days there. But you're breaking it down into days easier. In terms of say, what do you know? Acquire 194 days. Home office for at the 180 days, which is 6 months. And I also there ewu 6 months. I would call 14 days into 194 days. So 194 days. Also visa no aka no aka 6 months. Na ade na ewu. What day so 6 months and 14 days arrears. Na aba esa wo cover. Untumi enkasa wo ade no bewu 6 months time. Why of course we be 6 months. 6 months no aba no aka 14 days biem. Ade so ukasa wo try another 14 days ebe say ewu nsem. So what do? You have to put in another application for 2.5. Until a bar na afi there when you 14 days no. Of course, and also kodemu a ebeche ansa aba na afi there saa days no asan akonanim biem. Ekobesa omoma 2.5 a ese say we cover this arrears na ebegu so no ansa wetumi your full 10 years. It's a bit technical. That is why you don't burden yourself. Say, wow, what the bra lawyer anymore. Lawyer better calculations no. Edi kan lawyer maybe say ade no ekoda home office for enchen no ekodi omo nchen no it take how long answer eba. Now I try to ho. Once we our last extension no we delay answer what they call answer what they call on time. Now we take into taking note me now no I can boom we are converting into days. No I can't just say who what boka to hold 10 days because a year a who 10 days as how they call. Section 39E April 30 Emma what me the coye. And your man can be say you reject to application because we are illegal now day ba. Omaji I am wage mama. At section 13 paragraph 39E no. It's only giving you some freedom. On my total freedom. In the case law abano say it is a shield for you. Shield no say a bon ho ban if he illegal stay ho. Na mum amfa wo nkopie aheman mu a eye indefinite. Inti because say eye shield not a sword. Sword no say ubetumi akan aka 10 years no ho. Cannon no was a shield and a sword. But now omo yi sword na fi ho. Tuntumi nkan delay no a eba ya ansa wode wade no ekọ any delay na esi wo home office no ntumi nkan ka wo 10 years no ho na won ka se ma twen eba ekodi o nsemu ansa eba santi mekeka ni nyina agbomu a ade ni nwuye de enso metwa me 10 years. Question is say ekodi o nsemu no a eche no eye why fault eye wo na who delay ye and so what they call enti na eco delay no and of course yeah say because we are late into no almost why late but that is the inference enti say who o nsem na wo de call no mo so e delay a omo delay no wo de beka wo de no a e delay and so what they call no na wa fa ni nyina asoa na mbom say ewu say before e be wu no wo ye application na ekọ na ekowu e wo mo nsem di a ese so omofa eswa. So, question is why na Emma home office delay no eye tintin. So wo de na one day dia, wo be fa omo de ni nyina ka wo de no ho. Na what fi 10 years ni mu. Na what na wa twen kakra nsa wo de indefinite no akọ. So we are on time na ekowu wo mo nsem dia, emra ne say sa delay no omo a na omo cause ye. Santi omo ntumi mpanishe o mani ye. Into 10 years no a super paper na we live no enwe ya kra we betumi e de we indefinite no akotum.
Wachra siama afedi atasu entinom we senia na o kire no ekoma dodo na noisy, Mr.
You go ahead.
Yeah, I'm salam dia trigger or officer. Yeah, a comma friend is saying omo here sa 2.5 for no mo here indefinite. Ayembia ewu ewo mo nsem no. That's the problem. Producer Pacho, mami, 1 minute me but lawyer Asmah, mami bisa o question. Nti si ano se ne wa cheche mo no. Enya wo fault say memfa ne say enya wo fault say ade no akɔche wo home office. Watch him say enya wo fault say wo de na delay. Now the call there ene ejina omo so. But say delay 1 day there, omo nso omo de no ejina omo so. Na ye ni mo nso say but I say
Ejina wo
ejina
so.
wo yes, I didn't see him say Emrebia ye application ye might say 28 days, which of course you've explained that one. Ye might 28 days na 5 years application. And it say oh to me within that time period ni dia na ko delay wo ho a eno de ejina omomo so. Now here is the case. Say eba ni say nye 6 months na check because I've seen somebody's application 2 years na ɛda so wɔ home office for nkyɛn. The same process na ɔmo de bɛka ho. Ɛhɔ no yɛ 1. Afei nso no, meaning sɛ day of your submission of application no, ɛna ɛyɛ time why or say calculate every anaasɛ date na yɛ grant wo saa 2.5 no, saa date no na wɔde bɛhwɛ. But 2 questions. So when you mebisa no.
I mean, so okay. Edi kan nia ewo mu ne say application wo na wo kwa akoye. Wo application. Unim say over 28 days, last 28 days no, whatever no. Question is say we your application no, we no on time and unim time awade no bewu. Into unim say the basic position and I say the starting point and it say make sure say ade no enwu ewo nsem. So what ade no wo nsem dia automatically no why illegal. But say kase why illegal automatically and you fair because it be na and you bo apayo and a woman no ko ewu ye ansa wo your application. In your masisi. Inti mrane say sa na etia dia wo 14 days after say ade no ebewu. But sa 14 days no wuntumi yusu. I just say wo pese wo punish wo ho. That is the position now. In this own person over punish you don't use the 14 days grace period. Quite man ababa over punish you. So we used to 14 days grace period in the pet, so we used to 1 day or we used to how many days of it, We used to ebe protect you, dear. Nembum ebe punish you, say koba say we try 10 years, now we'll call for indefinite leave to remain. That 10 years, you baby so I want my you be kasa tenase. Ukra yenhwehwe wade enu. Wo kai say we last 2.5 no. We are late. I would ba. Sa punishment no at the whole train. Even though we try 10 years and then up to and then sa delay na ko ba ye nti. Ya yifi mu a wo de ka 14 days as I say we are ehwem. So you have to wait. To the be 10 days plus 14 days. Because waboka 14 days at all. And now waboka 10 days at all. And now waboka 1 day at all. That is what you know. And when the home office will be catch say, I dare you cry no. You make a decision, you making no 29th of March 2023. And you can say ebewu ebia 29th of for simplicity March 2024. When you say 29th of March 2024, no can in album wait 10 years. Almost you catch us a delay wo nsem and a delay wo almost nsem. If it's an say one now who create a delay, first delay no ntino. Omo delay no beka wo de ho. Omo delay no 2 years. Nti wodwen sɛ nka wetwa 8 years bi na akwa omade na ekɔ delay 2 years. Nti na kyerɛ sɛ ɛbaa ya no a 10 years na so. So you don't even have to wait for 2.5 no omode ama wo no. Ukwaye we indefinite. Omo say hang on. Nti saa 2 years na ekɔ delay as a eba no. Wo na wo create first one no. Cause wo so wo delay wo ho baby because wo kai say with the last 2.5 application extension eba no, we delay for 1 day. Nti yan dey 2 years no plus wo dey 1 day no, ye beka ni nyina abomu. Nti twen kwesi say wo be cover 2 years 1 day no aka no. What dey near 2.5 years. Santi esesa wo tena so 2.5 and 1 day before you can go for indefinite. Now what cover fully 10 years no without blemish.
Blemish. Okay. Enti a home office for so near mo bag in the ha adwen o. Enti le Asmah nsisi ano. Sɛ mpɛ sɛ meyɛ ne ntɛm a ansa na expire na kyerɛ sɛ na sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a mɛ escape all these calculations no. Ɛbere bɛn ɛna nkɛyɛ a mɛtumi atwa a ɛnɛ egyina yɛn nɛ topics no so sɛ I don't have to wait till anaasɛ ɛyɛ possible sɛ mɛtumi anya indefinite no. Sɛ aka me mmere kakra ansa na expire na ɛyɛ possible sɛ mɛtumi anya no. Kwan bɛn ɛna ɔsɛ wofa so na wode yɛ saa de na wonya. Afei nso no okay, wode ma me ɛno ansa patcho.
Yo na ɛwɔ hɔ ne sɛ you make sure say before ade no bewu no na the application no atum. Emrane say o last 28 days no ubetumi aye. But no your home office for nhyehyɛ. Say bibinti esesa wo de kwa ntem a ubetumi de akwa ntem se nea ye kan no 3 months earlier ubetumi de akọ. But so wo de kwata kra eda no ade no bewu no make sure say what the application akọ before 12 midnight of that day no a ewu no. Until 11:59 p.m. of eda no ade no ewu no make sure say what submission no atro date submitted 29th of March 2024 11:59 p.m. 11:59 p.m. is still 29th, but a quarter 12 midnight in the it will show 30th of March because that is the next day, even though I didn't here. To necessarily say I didn't ewu and I say ye. Man gasa me try my diachi answer so fully. No, I started from 12 midnight. That is the starting of the day. And make sure say what the work then akọ before I be with sana make for now. Make only expiry date. And make sure say what the call ye before I will said you now when we say your bank card me boy.
Yes.
So bank card na expiry date 28th of March 2024. Now one kwati card for fra obetumi use.
There be
the same thing. No more introduce. Okay. Omo di omo say obetumi use the name will punish you for the days I ebegu su no.
Ebegu su no. 14 days. Okay. Matthias Matthias na lawyers man enti no san say wa kire yen say ayembia o me so me mpese meye na menya punishment e na afa nso no embia na me hwe date no me de to me ne de date na so pepepe me 10 years na so say me what punishment o say me ni punishment me fa ni say minim say we no ene wan cheche mu a dodo na yenim. Enti se me ma calculate pepepe na menya saa 10 years no na home according to home office no me de car me the application no kwa de na be application on be dia to atwen me days na ye be punishment no answer na make a decision and so make a decision on my refuse application. What would be the possibility and likely near be to me see
you the question is application is it within Emrano and I say antisa because within Emrano say Also, indefinite leave to remain application if you have lived in the UK legally continuously 10 years. Which may indefinite leave to remain application. Legally, continuously 10 years. That is the continuous residence test. Legal residence. Illegal residence. Illegal residence for no now you're trying 20 years no more private life 2.5 no. The legal residence no you are aiming towards indefinite leave to remain. Now, what do you know? Na wunnim say technicality be aba 2024. And you what time ya abia no me 10 years. Akọ lawyer ho. Lawyer no so be a onim say emra no asesa. No so mami what do you know uba krom ha no how many years ni I say me ba ya ngasa matena krom ha ngasa legally there 8 years nembom ma dia no me de call ye no e delay ya ansa all eba edi 2 years ansa eba santi with the 2 years na me chen no kan ho dia and there e ma me 10 years then you na ka kira so which 10 years there and there say delay there your fault or your fault enti ade do mo and there would be kan ho nti 10 years aso would indefinite tumu a ehɔ na home office wo bɛhwɛ wo record moko ko pulu aba say wo last 2.5 no a delay no no mo de ma wo de but it take 1 year as mo de ma wo santi already e di omunsem 1 year wo so de no delay 10 years 10 days into 1 year 10 days no wontumi emfa enka ho say which 10 years because nipa na asam ne say ekodi omunsem no eche ya na say 2 years ya o kana asem yi omo ka cha say ebedi yensem no 2 years wonso edi wunsem 10 days nje say wo twen 2 years 10 days ansa wo the application no aba meanwhile what the application aba prematurely because of the technicality within the rules no what the aba prematurely because wunim doesn't mean say okay nti technical no uncha 10 years as say the indefinite amount say koba say wo visa no enwuye a omaka try say wo visa no enwuye nti twen kosita ma ebewu na by fa indefinite no bra if by that time no when you're full 10 years and answer by year foforo to cover gaps na eda wenim no so visa no ewu a na wo the indefinite no ekwa a omobema wa another 2.5 to help you to cover the gap na abedemu no so that will be the outcome.
Okay. Matias ye wo ho no lo Asmah sisia no se ne e kɔ no mre no koyie sisia dwumfo ha koyie nti no ne be ne se enche bia me bebie telephone lines no e de atum embia na ene adehia a we sua no wo question no enhye da enye no nti enye no wo be try say wo be bisa na se wo bisa wo betumi ebisa akwanya da ho just give me 1 minute akwanya da ho a wo betumi ebisa question pepepe ana se embia ade ana ye bisa no se ni ana ye cheche mo still a wadwen ye wontanta so you still prefer to ask a question kwanya ewo ho no maybe a telephone lines no bansa na meye no dodo na ba online nyina greetings to you all Margaret Edu Mensa Margaret Ramanana Sewa Gina Edu say Evangelist Gina Ansai do Margaret said kindly share the video the moment you join in, share to friends and family. Thank you. And then we have Emmanuel Nikwe say happy Easter, lawyer Asmah and all the BWF solicitors. Happy Easter to you all. We also have our dear sister Sandra Fraser say share when you join, please. Nana Jemai say okay. Nana Jemai pose a question. I will ask that question in a minute. And Nana Hima Sapon also said happy Easter to you all. And then there is another question. As time goes on, I'm going to open the telephone lines now. If you have any question at all you want to ask, lawyer is here, lawyer will answer you. It doesn't matter if it's to be with the topic that we are treating today or a different topic. How person bisa no akwenya edaho. Inti lawyer Asmah, yenko now, no sisi ano waka I'm say questions are me trotting now wait to me abobody nyina eso e de amaye your telephone lines are ye de bedi dwuma no say producer wa on fan to board ne so na ye to me and embobo ma enkrofo senior way on to me afre na obisa question so you can call 0208 123 1016 and I say you bet me bisa afre 07399208468. There is also a WhatsApp number that you can call, and you can even leave a voice note in case you are driving or you are at work or you are somewhere that you can't make a telephone call. Make a voice note. Member Ediama lawyer Asmah na utumi answer Ediama. The telephone number is 075 96620 Misa Abubo Subio 075 Kola na Chempra or the question about them. Yo, other for one, so I still got one or two questions for last one, but then let's move on. Pacho, what free abaliga hours, so what free may until
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good evening, John.
Okay, hello, John. Happy Easter. So,
Oh, thank you, Michelle Lawyer Manso.
Major audio, so.
My question is unrelated to today's topic, but
That's
I think
no problem at all.
Maybe some sister be no, I worry British ni Ghana.
Yeah.
Or worry no, or assembly no, but sister no with visitors visa.
Okay.
But or see or buy because of this visitors visa and buy on to me this our reno on to me fan to move this Ghana.
Okay.
But or see be advising us or ni papa no etinabo 2 years like omuko have it 2 years obey to my application without going to Ghana.
Okay, hold on. Pacha, hold on. New crew no ewa ha and wako worry no fee, right?
Oh, worry in fee that 7 years ago.
But or no abba, but to was in pesa ye question as ye. But or no ne yere na or wolf ye no wabba chromo has a visitor with visitors visa, right?
Yeah.
And anka or pese or maware no maware da no ka omumfa ntum enya sa.
Yeah.
And na obi ato ne fo say okita visitors visa no. Enye ye na emo akwanya foforo bi wo ho a say otenemu 2 years na just say the visa na expire as a visitors visa otenemu for 2 years there ne kru na e wa ha no betumi de akotum ama no say ne question no.
Yeah, say almost 2 years betumi approve say almost na 2 years.
Okay, lawyer Asmah mpacho yembisa yemma yemnua be me answer kakra.
Yo, yenya be my ede mesrano na enye clear ma menti pacho na obetumi esiso within a year.
Yo, ni opa kire ne say abrantie bi wa ha na one ne yire oware ne yire long time ago e wo Ghana. Ena sisi a nyame aye ne yire na adom wa ba ha as a visitor e ba besra ne kunu. Na oba ye ja weda yi aye huntani ade eni ja befie nti no ompese obekọ omunyanka omaware na omoware ofie dadaada no omfa ntum so omoya warefo wa ha nanka yenjina so ma ne krata na onim se nka enye yi ena obi ato ne fo se akwanya foforo wo ho a ne yire na wa aba no ne yire ankasa nkrata kire se ne yire ankasa ontnemu na ne visitors visa na expire na onto aso for 2 years into to aso for 2 years dia ne kru na wa ha no ebetumi omobe prove say oni na atena for 2 years na mfa nkrata no enkotum nti obisa say eyeye sa anase enye sa netie.
I mean, I think nipa no otu no or rely on the relationship rule now abano say you don't have to be necessarily married but living together and now say we and not even living together no cry no and yes physically living together but among the end they are physically living together Na ɛsɛ yɛte aseɛ sɛ obi ani nkrataa na ɔyɛ application for leave to remain as a spouse and as a partner. Home office for na ebe decide sɛ yɛde bɛma no anaasɛ yɛmfa ama no. Of course, applications ni nyinaa no ɔmo na ɔmo decide, but ebi wɔ mu a ɔmo yɛ no ɔmo make sure sɛ ɔmo nyɛ mistake. Mmara no yɛ clear. But wokunu ɛwɔ ha ɔyɛ obi a okuta indefinite anaasɛ ɔyɛ British citizen anaasɛ ɔyɛ EU citizen. Woyɛ hɔhoɔ na wote ha, woyɛ illegal. Even cry no fine mo aware anaasɛ mo wɔ relationship mu, durable relationship. Na mo meet relationship rules no a. Sɛ yɛde bɛma wɔn ne mfa ma wɔn, it's up to them. Ometumi aka kyerɛ mo sɛ monkɔ mo kurom na monkɔ toa mo aware so ɛwɔ hɔ anaasɛ monkɔbɔ mo bra ɛwɔ hɔ sɛ modɔ mo ho saa. Nti nipa na otuufo no nkae sɛ ɔde ɛno ɛka ho. Nti mo ma yɛhyɛ ɛno ɛnso. Nti na kyerɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ mu a ɛnyɛ 100%, ɛyɛ 50-50. Ometumi aka sɛ aane, ometumi so aka sɛ daabi because unni nkrataa. Baako no enni nkrataa. Now, nea yɛnua betumi ayɛ no sɛ akwalaa wɔ mu di a, akwalaa ɛwɔ mu di a, akwalaa no nti ɔmɛ consider na yɛde ama yɛnua yi because akwalaa no ɔyɛ British akwalaa anaasɛ ɔyɛ EU akwalaa a yɛfrɛ wɔn qualifying children under section 117D no. So akwalaa no yɛ qualifying child, so ɔyɛ EU akwalaa, so ɔyɛ British akwalaa anaasɛ okuta pre-settled anaasɛ settled anaasɛ okuta normal indefinite leave to remain or saa akwalaa no enti yɛbɛka sɛ yo ɛndeɛ yɛma maame asetena na ntumi mboa akwalaa ne hwɛ mu because akwalaa no ntumi ndi n'akyi ɛnkɔ ɔman a ɔne ne kunu ɛpɛ sɛ ɔmo kɔtena mu no emu. Nti akwalaa no betumi ayɛ ɔno ane ba anaasɛ n'aba noma. Sɛ n'aba noma deɛ a na kyerɛ sɛ yɛ papa no ba. Nti saa papa no ba na ɔne ne te no together with ne kunu yi no obetumi agyina saa abanoma no so. Ɛno no saa abanoma no di 7 years wɔ kurom ha koraa mmara ne sɛ saa abanoma no so yɛ qualifying child. But yɛnua yi nea nti a manka 7 years akwalaa nka ho ne sɛ ɔbaa no need 7 years. There's no way a ɔno ane ba edi 7 years wɔ ha. Nti na memfa nka ho no. But sɛ na abanoma deɛ a ɛndeɛ sɛ akwalaa no di 7 years a na sɛ yɛwɔ no kurom ha watena ha 7 years a ebetumi egyina on akwalaa no so ɛso na yɛde application atum na yakɔsrɛ fekasimfoɔ sɛ ɔmo nhwɛ akwalaa no nti na ɔmo consider maame.
Many abema now, we know, senior lawyer chichimuno. It's very simple. Nemo, there are a whole lot of technical issues within to be near successful. You can't just sit at home and do such an application. But open more into details, and so I'll ask you to book an appointment. Na kumu lawyer Asmah, and now I swear you know. Na yenu ntinas ni encheche mo kwanya obetumi afa so na odi aye. Yes no. Na ebi enokra ebi nso enhye da emfa. And just a little bit of advice. Lawyer Asmah, more question me no bi wo yenua bema na najima. Or see what are the requirements for the indefinite remain application, and then how much is the cost of indefinite leave to remain application, and what exams do you need to write? Oh, when you are an adjunct, when you can frame one quite channel beside nti lawyer one said we are now me nua no gyina so no so na mama ne answer patcho say o frɛ na me pick anu mute ho kakra de amaye why na emaye feedback ewa ha lawyers man patcho to me answer me no quick na mama ne also na kasa
Yo nti we hear B1 English language and I say so ukuta degree and as a masters ewe UK or memu dia ubetumi eyusu eno mana ye for the English language test no. Sarah enso ena SSL we life in the UK exams. Nti eno so abeka ho nti hye so. Obi say how much? The last time ye bi no nipa ni tua 2,800 and something. So the whole year budget I fancy £3,000. Why? In terms of requirement, as I say we show say someone I would say we try 10 years from hand to acquire indefinite. It prove say we try 10 years. So would that 2.5 and that's we would any mix for ni bia. Mix for ni for no more student. Almost switch call her, call her. Then you mix for no and you 10 years continuous leave legally in the UK. And omo de direct for no yeah obi anipa no or by as a spouse but joining no crew and that's na year 2.5 and or call that so and we into last 2.5 no ebewu or an application on year another 2.5 or be indefinite this half one so so we are looking at the residence test until one situation ebe determine yes ebe qualify for residence no na ya English no ya can life in the UK once what na ha so there within the last 5 years and then actually say what you chrome ha there is so as I say approve with pay slips and that's a P60 statement and that's a BB actually say ampa what na ha continuously for at least 5 years we here any income so spouse sponsor na would move it to the next level there spouse no so information so now would year can be here ni bill. So if you want more you can go online and get the requirement for indefinite leave to remain, or if you are ready for us to assist you you can come in. You have to make sure that you get the right form. We have set M, we have set LR, we have set O, we have a lot of sets. Certainly a settlement application forms.
Yeah.
You see wrong one on my reject your application. This week will be by my office. As a lawyer, lawyer be your application. But home office what from me say on my reject it. On my church my baby minti ase. Na me say oh me hwe ya nipa no na oda touch so. But what as here?
Turn up.
We're trying to 10 years. In think I say lawyer no ye man no o use to set LR. No ko use to set M. Set M ye for 5 years for no marriage. Nti okwo use to set M no na call in the home office for say a wrong application why ye. Nia why ye no unqualified way. Nti after all what no ebe September. Nti kwatwen ewu a na wasan ye foforo. And now so say opa your application foforo using the correct form. Na yento aso ema o. Oba ya no na days na omode man no na apa ho. Santi me ka kire so mo can say within 10 days bra. If application for correct application no bra one year ne sa. Say your photo, say your lawyer no photo, it wasn't done. Santi anytime you obetumi your application no dear, but you have to do it before the no ebewu. So those are the things.
That's when the explanation now come beyond it. But out of our woman, so my tell him, Kawai.
Pacho, good morning.
Good morning, Papa.
Lawyer, good morning.
Ojo Sominia.
Pacho, lawyer, maybe some question, Kakra.
Koso.
Sir, question here, you know. Papa, say, Obi, our uni. Na, say, Nipano, Womo, actually, say, I'm a member, so be a member, the Pacona, and indefinite. So, ya bana, Bema. Na, Omaja, what dear. Na say, Nkura, ewo womo enter my father, me father, oba no kunumba. Odo mo eba kuruma. Say me father, oyenya indefinite. Say, esan so Omaja, what dear, it is so, okoye indefinite na. Obejina kuruma mara so na aya na. Ana mra to so me no question me to so me say me father no so say ukita indefinite ana so ukita kuruma buku na owaro obi. No frigana ba. Oba be wama the resident card na say biometric card no. Oba tam be na ne sabeka. And share another question. Because normally na obi application omo check be a post office. E ho na mpese ni.
Ni atwato ne de oba o ma ho atenten o mo tro wo ye kan say letter no final letter na e de ma we no TLC for letter no o mo tro so say wo bedu a 10 working days and e be kura 2 weeks no akwaje ba bi mo no o mo de no mo bedu ya o ko 3 days kura ya na e da ho obi wo be ko 1 week e da obi kura be ko 2 weeks ni still a na e da ho na ne o mo say be da ho na wankwaje a ye sam post back e de ko ma home office obi hu a wo yi bill na What the application no now home office for atro say abasa email no so say o can the call down one ko fanti can na sa be di on sem and no sa no say o ye application say o yam fan bro no am address a o ti so sisi ano na ye this application ye the card no abro was address nto ho de eno anti na me ma lawyer Asmah answer o first one lawyer Asmah
madam I'm o kasa no betini ya o se se edu ho no ma o 10 days who also so a obedura pa no ko na se obedura pa tikase bo so omu hu se wa ba bewura sa enti ho no ma na eba ekwa address ekwa
there be tete me see obi wo ha obedu 3 days obekwa na wo ho
okay
me hu bi enti na me ka sa no obi o say ye throw o paper ne so say we did 10 working days or say 2 weeks or say 14 working days and no na work paper ne so a ye dey amount and now email but na make us say bi mo bedu a oko check 3 days time kra na obekọ no na wo ho obi nso 5 days obekọ na wo ho obi kra 2 weeks obi ya 3 weeks obi kra 1 month na say ebeda ho nso na nko ye nkoji ya omo san de call back to home office o no so ate ase
matini na o le metini na
yo me ma lawyer Asmah yo the question
me pacho na ye be kaka second one ho ne say nipa no bedu na when you sure say card na bad say mba ya call the whole post office line no post office na wo kwaje ade o wunim Google their number call them to be say one say man card na ba na member na say member no mbeka no na we di ekire sa. Yeah. Now, first question on my patrol, which me assign is so kakra bi amame because bi o mo amanti ni ye.
Yeah, na me kan say obi o ware yi oni na o ma tra tia na te se dia ware ja ya ba nipa no anya
Patrol ho.
Yi oni ni so na ji asetena mo sa ankora na me bi ja say o ma ja wade no so omo so omo indefinite omo be gina yi kroma mra so na agi ana setela yi umra no eno be gina so agi ma me na ana se papa na ogi ma omo no oni hobi o ti abasa se no be ye omo omo indefinite
You then e di adanse se oni hobi e ya warija krata ana se owo krata.
Yes, awarija krata
To be yusu awarija krata no na what dey anam you kwan so your friend no retention of right application.
Pato se wati.
Okay, na lawyer na pato sa no obegina kroma mra na stela yi umra na no begina so agi ono na me
ubegina yi umra no so na wa bobra provide say wo evidence say BBSC and your friend retention of EU right.
Okay. That's it.
Yes, thank you very much, yo. Say lawyer Annie ewo around. Until lawyer Annie were around that. Maybe some question back.
And then Easter Friday until I will do the summary in English when we get to that point.
Okay, that's fine then. Until now, question back maybe can be some way answer. Or see, please, I know there is different kind of there are different but one different for indefinite leave to remain, especially completing 10-year route. Please, can you explain to us which form is appropriate one? Say no na lawyer dey can I answer no forms no say from M from LR and from four of them. And you know what will be our question? Me very sure say could just slide 10 minutes back to the program now. Ubenya answer ni na ewo. Afeyem bisa Emmanuel Boachisi lawyer, can skilled worker also apply for indefinite leave to remain after exhausting 2.5 years on his or her visa?
Oh, now so skilled worker would your mama 2.5
there be say or can say we did 2.5 for the visa and so I bet me I could indefinite and there be there no That's right. Murus near different kakra. Why? Maybe some way. Doris Oponsi. Good morning, please. I don't remember my first leave to remain, and I'm in my last leave to remain, which I have spent year plus on my last renewal. In this case, what time is the best I can apply for my indefinite? Indefinite. Thank you. I'm say, when last but one question, lawyer may be similar thing or but lawyer bet me throw a little bit light on it for you. Why?
Yo, I mean, say Nipanu ehu ne first one, and as some of the 2.5 sir, obet me application to the Home Office to request ni file. File no ba yebehu first one I demand date I demand, then we calculate from there.
But okay, I know your question on the your friend is saying on the when so Facebook na YouTube na so ntino obetumi enya na webisa. And lawyer am say agrone so no afe na nipa dodo na eba na ye frɛ but emren so na ye adwuma wom say na ye check akra de. So Asmah mesra say wo check just 5 minutes bia na afe na ye de akoso ntino mefa just one more call wo a wo frɛ na e katikati no betumi atro afrɛ na ufrɛ wie ana afi de ye de dwumadie no aba wie bansa na ɛbɛyɛ ɛno nso no lawyer na me bisa question bi na obi say ɔyɛ student no ɔyɛ student dependent ɛna wehu sɛ ne kunu no ankɔ ɛyɛ ɔba rather girl na ankɔ your friend is school no enwie masisia no yama ne mmetiawa na ɔmfra emfi kurom ha na ɔno dependent no akonya company bi a company na ɔne ne yɛ adwuma no a promise sɛ ɔsɛ ɔmbɛtumi ama no yɛfrɛ ne sɛn COS ana permanent way na ɔde ayɛ adwuma watena mu ayɛ adwuma nti sɛ a obisa ɔno na yɛbɛma no no afei kora na ɔkɔtwerɛ ne English because ɔne English. Can you mute yourself a bit as soon as you join? Ɔne English enti no sɛ 2 months yeah afei na ɔbɛsua English na wakɔtwerɛ na sɛ onya ne yere na wankɔ school no ne gyina bia ne hemfa ɛna obisa.
Well, so the year now one go school no there one ko nti or either say obe move to private obe move to family life say akwenya wo ho a and also no ka chen say so wo bibi a year before that time no ebeso nti say when jimi an ye bibi a unfortunately want to switch it to skilled worker because mrano makwan I just call appendix FM rules no so in the private life nso no ontumi enko so unless say obe rely on paragraph 5.1b or say uncha 20 years now wo bibi a kire say wo ko kroma wo bewu a obetumi agina so your application ndi say no wo hwade a obetumi agina so in terms of self or ba wo krom ha because unless say oni ne kunu agya aware ansa okwo de a and the obetumi agina ne ba no eso nti akwenya ono de ne de limited but no dependent no emrade say obetumi switch to skilled worker nti say omit rules no na oye ono nya ontumi fan cover oba no because oba no no a student don't me emba ne so as dependent of a skilled worker.
Ɔhɔ na ayɛ ne ntanta kakra na ɔbaa ne nyim a kyerɛ sɛ ɔnya nwoyɛ deɛ but ɔnyim nti ɛno saa no ɔmo ɔsɛ nyame yɛ n'adom a na ɔwo a ɔtumi gyina papa ne so anaa ɔhɔ no nkyerɛmu ketewa bi anaasɛ ɔntumi nsesa no because ɔka sɛ ɔne ne gyae deɛ a nka ɛnea ɔbɛgyina akwadaa ne so but in this case na mi sɛ ɔmo ngyae but ɔnyim akakra a ɔbɛwo nti no ɔhɔ no wokyerɛ mu kakra a menya one voice no na afei yɛaboa no na yɛakɔ yɛnim.
What na emrade say oba no obi dia so oba no ye qualifying child a obetumi agina ne so wakwaji bi provided say oba no e papa enye be ma na oti aware na se no enti eyono na se ohun anamo a se obetu mmra no assetes ne de tight ema no but so pese ye biebie mmra no mu kire no ebedu ne level ebedu ne level no hu ne so oye de a ende obetumi afre na waba efie because efie a menye efie a metim na mu office na efie
Yo, odofo wa homa so mpacho me ente o nka yemre ne ya so. Ai.
Okay, hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
The Pacho, some few questions be
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Miss Sister, application first, or your free waiver, and a buy and or your application equal to home office. But as a chebino, or your May or the application is to May.
Okay.
And up to now, no, and buy
May last year.
Last year,
wow.
May. And I am buy it. And I not me to say, no me to say, no work I sent to say, free waiver, and as I say, would delay application. Say, when you 2.5 or 2.5 foot, now they do 10 years now. Almost big delay. And what about we have quite free waiver so and also to know how is it going to be the calculation. Thank you.
Okay. And fee waiver no, not just application ni mwankasa unye but di kan ye fee waiver na mbwa o na mfanya application no. But can I establish that?
And why I into oye free waiver no. And a buy yes so qualify and
okay.
Sana oye application into the home office. And to why application akwakotu. And with the home office no or submit home office application in May, somewhere in May.
Okay. Yo.
Yeah.
Me as a lawyer bebe as a lawyer bebe no. Abra oye fee waiver no. Ekoche ye ma ni visa ni wuya na.
Me pa chwan ekoche ye ama visa ni ewuye. And up to now no.
Yo, ma ya ti ase. Asmah. But and now question be
what if actually understand why in the second application it is like it would be 10 years now and after all these 10 years so by the 2 months and also so no calculation on saying but first the person so like I didn't know up to now no end by it and at the second one also say 10 years no swan exactly 10 years to obey to me application and
yo mommy my two question I say me my lawyer Asmah why me that say
okay Pacho, thank you.
You're welcome. Last month fee waiver koso but new to who me why
now I want the kind or say a check into a day such a which me assign or email so what they're not to follow up now on my reply the brain was to say check almost say first 6 months no I'm call 9 months no I'm call 12 months now if you almost say they don't even have any time limit time on be ready be am the bebrel tinyan so yeah 482 for ni alhwefo ne say ade na cha almost say sisi ano eche no aye normal nti you manage expectation no but ebeba. Now question number 2 or say waiver no how does that affect in the encomo no so we feel waiver no before what dey no be would there we okay problem aye ba ni obi o ma oye ni fee waiver application no or the call no o may be some document bi o may say bibi and I went to me and respond and tem and no man a decision say you are rejected into your application and na embre ebebe mu so contemplate say meye anasa minye and na 14 days no anasa 10 days no mo de amano no ewuye and na odi fi waiver foforo atum mu na afi de eye na ode ye an application main one no nti ye hwe afi waiver no akoye mienu but between the first and the second no gap abedemu because your amount 10 days on continue with the main application on tia no ye no 1 year no ye fee waiver for but we 10 days ni so ye 11th day no the fee waiver for call ye even though o ma accept second fee waiver no o ma ye bibia ma na application no aba ma what 2.5 no so no gap abeda baby santi ebetumi ekoyi aba say time a we ye o second fee waiver no break by 1 day because 10 days na the man when you sue ehwo no na omkwa kofa ba say santi delay akoba ni na omo de account delay no ehwo but say few waiver no we ye no break bi ambam we ye no on time omo so make a decision omo de break wo no omo ba voucher na we use ye dia then nkomo a ye di no affect you with 10 years no so a betuma your application the next day even though with visa no enwuye third so obisa 3 questions wo
but eno na wa say edu
right
10 years no na okoya how say ebe affect na mo nka say abe delay nti no so oye na e count no and
good
now kind of sisi anso na delay no and also be count towards that na
yeah and also calculation there and they are bebre enti unhia more mathematical calculation aya na waba with time so abra na ya betena ase na ya the calculator na to ho a check say case law na aba no aba affect you and that's affect you na ya the application na to mu kama and that's obetumi kra aba abaje consultation for 30 minutes na what ya say na wa kwaya wa de so
and I don't know. Last ma obi so asend we the time ni so one last we pay voice note no. Na yenko voice note no. Load nso no etwa ne ho still. Okay, me try say me to me aba. Nipa mienu nko aba let's see. Okay. Yentie we.
Mpacho, good morning. Mpacho, na program na me person me bisa question. I want 10 root application. Mpacho, me dia no me kwaye free waiver. A me kwaye free waiver no. Na me fin enwuye. But ekowuye. Ewo home office for ni nsem. Instead of 14th no, 14th of June ko wuye. Ewo mo nsem. Enti no so se me kwaye indefinite na. Mpacho ba affect me ana. Epache ewuye freeway ewuye wo free waiver for ni nsem ansa na mekoye main application.
Say we na yedi kan answer me sure say similar say enye no cry very similar. Enti no yentie we nso na afede yenwie.
Good morning, Majeti. Good morning, lawyer. Demase. Say, mo nyuma pa mo yede bo Ghana for me. Busa aseme ya ma ne yonko bi. Ne yere ye student no so ye dependent on ne yere no. No mo onkra miensa. Ne yere na wie ne master's program ama mama no 2 years. Na 2 years ni mu no one ne yere no e no mo ma miensa ne mu ba ko pe na apply for sa 2 years no. Nkra mienu na aka no omuntimi nyeye because of sikasemunti enti oso obi atu no for say nkra mienu na aka no omuntimi nyeye no mo ntwentwen so enam say nkra no mo ye nkra na afa mo san wo school mo so ntina nya de home office for betuma ye bibia ena me che ne say mo modern ano nyem free o anha da che de asem bebre no na opese ohunu say obetumi apply for fee waiver na because of almost circumstance in finance no na face na yere no so akoye student nti so mbeda se ombenya afutu bi so free lawyer tinyame enkam de masi bebre ba
Nti Asmah.
yo fee waiver no only for human right application graduate scheme and human right application family life and private life and you refugee into no to fee waiver.
Okay, that's fine. Said ne wo ho no ye nja nyame adoma say otna beba so ane de aba Asmah. Okay, you better say your friend by. In fact, when we began the program, we encountered so many technical issues, but finally God has been faithful to me. I call successful ama yenina and I don't know now mobile. So sharing on Naa Manye there, you didn't share much at all, Miss Remo. And the program we say indefinite, say you can say 2.5 indefinite, my and then I can say 90% fall into this way applicants fall into victim either some very fee and I say bibi si na afedie enti saa no kwan ben na obefa so a obetumi ejina so na wo dia ye indefinite na ntem no akwaje British passport hia ye enti mon share call Facebook or WhatsApp or YouTube no. Click on the link na official wo bebia na nkrofo enya ho mfaso Asmah yemre na ye be enti memo akwenya na wabɔ ne pɔtɔ kasa no kakra tofa e de amaye within the few minutes na afedie ne wo ho no ne ya tudwa na ya sɔre na so akoso Yesu kakra na areho na start eba enti wadaroma pacho.
Yo, a very good Friday to Yenina. And Easter Friday, in the significance. Tibra yesia yankrata some emrano na yakae se odona bi na yada na edi ama wo no ti wonso da sa odoni edi ema afoforo. Na yaka ne se so wo atena krom ha 10 years. Na wo da different visa so na wo de money about 2.5 years so na we try 10 years but visa no wo last one in wu ya so when you're 10 years nkwa de a wo betumi aye application no ama na ye case law ama na ye very technical santi so wo kwaye a bo modern say wo be seek advice and so wo de akọ wo mpese wo bekọ kotua sika na wo bekọ na mo say wo time nso ye na wo de aba nti ya ma 2.5 and I said train answer to bo modern yemo modern na yenhye eno nso but na ye kan nyina ne say betumi aye indefinite leave to remain application before we find out 2.5 no ebewu this na wa check say when you 10 years no continuously legally no and a stance so there we do application call kan no last one no na ewu and say na enwu ye say na ewu there and the 10 years no enso ye say na enwu ye there and the 10 years no abeye no correct say aso nti say o pese wo say 10 years no aso anasa nso ya ko starting from we first visa edema we legal one no up to last one no na check say when you 10 years no e wo krom ha legally ana mo ma yensho so say graduate scheme there no enka ho graduate scheme there no enka ho that's it. Have a pleasant
Asmah, Miss Medasi, and then I'm a corner. You can say not so official, but of course, I will say the professionalism, like a crown, so at the home. And I a good Friday. To me, did say, kai abra, ya Jim Quanon, or Bassa, see so, or the name Quabeto, or Eddie May, the J. Na and I could do Sunday, no, not fide, or best sorry, Nina and Kai, so I'm ready, why but we are just remembering. And you find reflecting na yenhwe na afi so enen so adehwe bae no reflect na meto efutuo kakra na efutuo kakra ne say mesrama ni die mom na eba ne email any address ayede application bi wo ho a na address no we tu efri ho enti no na mbia na ne letters eda so ekọ ho no motion and so we direct post no redirection post na moya we ho so a mon follow up even sa old address no kra wo a no ahye da akọ just be acquainted with the person living there say what now why you redirection there na mom say bibi say na ba utumi leave contact kra na omon from na kwaji Some people are kind, or maybe they will what send it back to the sender. And then I can't ban email so I miss see emails na check it, especially check email na cause spam mo so junk mail no common so na because sometimes you to make very important you can say emails now because nipa no afe na almost send a message first time and I say bibi na phishing no akwa ama na akwa do spam mo na junk mo na onsa nka side to make call so ebi na ya throw say bibi ya throw this na on check ya to make call so wonni email a Mr. phone so cry to me ma you can say pops apps na say when your email when you only marking kan to me there are keywords be or say we do we kan hwe wo bibi na we to me kan ben obi na ka say menya email bi na em say important hwe ma me na yen jai say de bia yenim yemboto na nyoma di ehwa saa no Mr. we dey futu kakra me dey mai na yen hye no so very very important your email and your address and your telephone numbers no yen hye no so obi wani o telephone number assistant number na ha adwen obi so ye frɛ no o se menim number nti no memfa yen jai wan ye dwane no ye dwane wan no obi frɛ ni number bia say I don't know the number so I'm not going to pick it I don't know the number I'm not going to me no a mature way of thinking because unim obi near or friend no point na ourselves uyentem and now fa so na nipa ko no person ni be kasa o tie na say it's not of any interest to you and no aka bye now they are to so it doesn't spoil anything but rather say one fa na be very important something and be cry obeja voice note to go so won tie voice mail no na de bia yes especially people calling with private numbers also private intimate fa so why na udwane no udika nyina nti we Easter foto kakra me de ma mo nyame adomo ochina ebia ibehia ihia de ene ye be kasa na ye nhia nso a eno ano no munya happy Easter lo Asmah se woni ye wia na obe ma bye bia ansa na wako.
Whatever there is, viewers and listeners, is that tomorrow is a day for reflection. So tomorrow we'll leave viewers and listeners to reflect, and next week we shall meet for our usual conversations. Have a wonderful Easter.
Thank you. Yes, have a wonderful Easter. Thank you, Lawyer Asmah, and stay blessed. Bye-bye. Enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contested and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner, with over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.